Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is the 6th day of the April Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. 1254. Number of coast islands. Okay, let's see what it means. Given 2D grid of zeros and ones, land is 0 and 1 is water. You should have it the other way, but maybe it doesn't matter. An island is a maximal 4-directionally connected groups of zeros, and a closed island is an island totally surrounded by ones. We're doing the number of coast islands. Okay, I mean, I think this is just regular, sorry, greedy's been on my mind because, you know, the last couple of problems, but this is just a regular depth first search, it seems like. Basically, you just return whether you can reach outside, and that's it, right? Let's see, given zeros and ones. Sorry, the zeros and ones all confuse me, but yeah. Yeah, so I think that's pretty straightforward, really. So yeah, you know, and you can also do this with union find as well. Depth first search, breadth first search, union find, they all should be good. I'm gonna do this with breadth first search because I think that's one thing I want to practice on a little bit. So yeah, R is equal to length of grid, C is equal to length of grid of 0, and this is just regular connected components, by the way. With a little bit of a, you know, an edge case, if you want to call it that, just like a little variation, maybe that's a better word. So yeah, so okay, so used. Maybe we want. I mean, we could change the input, but I'm just going to do an explicit used, right? Is equal to and then for x in range of R, for y in range of C. Then if not used of xy and grid of xy is equal to 0, is it? Which one is the land again? 0. Then we just maybe islands is equal to 0, right? And then islands we add is coast or something like this, coast island of xy, right? And then we talk about islands. I'm not sold on this API yet, but it'll be okay. It's a good start, I think. Right? First of all, if not used, if used rather, xy we return. Otherwise, used is equal to true, and then now we go directionally, up, down, left, right. Directions is equal to down, up, left, if I could type it out, right. How do I want to set this? I mean, this is how I really want it to be, but maybe that's a little bit annoying to do. So let's just do something like, yeah, this, and then if coast, if coast, then islands increment by 1, something like that should be fine, right? And then here, basically we go, okay, and then for dx, dy and directions, I lied, didn't I? I said that I was going to use breadth first search, but now I'm using depth first search. All right, let's just use depth first search. I don't know why. I don't know. I mean, I could change it, but it's fine. That would okay. Breadth first search is would have made the way that I wrote it the other way a bit easier, but yeah, well, it's fine. Right? If R and Y is C and grid. I want to change this a little bit. Usually I write it in one statement, but I don't want to do this one. But if this is equal to 0, then we go traverse island nx and y. The reason why is because I can do an else here. That means that otherwise this is a border a border cell. So then now we can do non-local coast is equal to false. It's a little bit lazy, but I think breadth-first search would have been cleaner, to be honest. But let's give it a submit and see if I missed any edge case. I did it. Huh. I haven't done it in like, what year is this again? 3.5 years. I did in C++. I also did it with breadth-first search, actually. Kind of wrote it the same way, really. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna look at each cell once, right? So this is gonna be linear time, linear space, linear, just to as a reminder, is R times C because it is linear in the size of the input, and the size of the input is R times C. Don't really have anything special about this one. If you really want to look up the literature and you're having struggles, do a search on connected components. Here I did it with breadth-first search. If you want to, you know, play around and up practice yourself, you know, implement it with breadth-first search and then maybe union find. But I don't have anything else to add. So let me know what you think. Hope you all have a great end of the week. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.